Hidden cost lesson 3, the damage repair disaster. Think that etched granite countertop is just normal wear and tear? Think again. That damage actually came from using the wrong cleaner, and fixing it will cost you between $800 and $2,000. Your hardwood floors that need refinishing every few years? Chemical damage from incorrect cleaning methods is literally cutting their lifespan in half. Here's the shocking truth. Homeowners cause thousands of dollars in damage every year using products and methods that seem completely harmless, but are slowly destroying their expensive surfaces. And here's the worst part. Your insurance won't cover damage from improper maintenance, leaving you completely liable for those replacement costs. This is exactly why Made Perfect exists. Our professional cleaners carry comprehensive insurance and understand surface chemistry. We don't just clean your home, we actually protect it. Instead of causing damage, we prevent it, extending the life of your expensive finishes and fixtures while maintaining their warranties. Think about it. The wrong cleaning methods cause expensive damage that far exceeds the cost of professional services designed to protect your investment. Why risk thousands in repair costs when you can protect your home with professionals who know exactly what they're doing? Don't let improper cleaning destroy your biggest investment. Book your clean online with Made Perfect today and start protecting your home the right way. Your granite, hardwood, and wallet will thank you.